Fulham is excited to outline the details of our FHS HB347-40W-D HotSpot emergency LED driver specifically made for LED UFO Highbays. This essential product has been designed with ease of installation and testing in mind. It is installed between the ceiling and the fixture, using provided hardware and a safety cable. It is for use with UFO LED Highbays up to 320 watts with 0 to 10 volt dimming, and it has an integrated junction box for easy wiring. We recommend a functionality test ahead of time to ensure compatibility, and Fulham can assist if there are questions. After installation, to comply with safety codes requiring periodically testing that the unit is functioning properly, either press the integrated test button on the unit or use the remote control provided. For more details, visit fulham.com or reach out to your Fulham representative. Make sure to also follow us on LinkedIn to never miss an update.